Tammy Slayton is once again surprising her fans, but this time, it's not with a weight update, a health scare, or even a TikTok transformation. Instead, the 1000 lb Sisters star is taking back the night and hitting the dance floor like she never has before. Just months after her dramatic skin removal surgery, Tammy showed up with fire in her steps and a throwback attitude, embracing a bold rock-inspired look straight out of the late 2000s. Fans were left stunned, not just by her physical transformation, but by the unstoppable confidence she exuded as he danced like no one was watching, except millions of social media users who quickly made the moment go viral. This unexpected moment unfolded during a private party hosted by a close friend of Tammy's. While the event was meant to be low-key, it didn't stay that way for long. As soon as Tammy entered the venue in her edgy black leather jacket, punk rock tee, and high-top sneakers, it was clear that she was there to make a statement. With her freshly healed body still adjusting to the changes post-surgery, no one expected her to command the dance floor with such vigor. But that's exactly what she did. When the DJ dropped a 2009 hit, Paramore's Ignorance, Tammy seemed to transform into her teenage self again, rocking out with moves that left even the younger guests stunned. The vibe wasn't just about nostalgia. For Tammy, this dance was personal. Sources close to her revealed that music was a huge part of her identity before her health started declining. Back in the day, Tammy used to live for rock concerts, especially the emo and alt-rock scene, a family insider share. She's always loved bands like Fall Out Boy, Paramore, My Chemical Romance. That was her era. After years of being confined by weight and mobility challenges, this dance wasn't just a tribute to 2009, it was a declaration that Tammy had reclaimed a piece of herself that she once believed was lost forever. Fans immediately began buzzing online. Videos of Tammy twirling, rocking, and laughing flooded TikTok and Instagram. Many commented on how unrecognizable she looked, in a good way. "Is that really Tammy? She looks like she's glowing." One follower wrote, "She's finally free, and you can see it in her face," said another. Some even compared her to post-makeover movie characters, calling the moment her real life. She's all that transformation. But for those who've been following her journey since day one, this wasn't a makeover, it was a miracle made possible by years of hard work, emotional struggle, and life-threatening challenges that nearly broke her. Tammy's health journey has been one of the most dramatic arcs in 1000 lb Sisters history. For years, she struggled with food addiction, depression, and physical limitations that left her wheelchair-bound and reliant on oxygen support. Her health hit an all-time low in late 2022, leading to an emergency hospitalization and time in a rehabilitation facility. But things changed when she made the courageous decision to undergo weight loss surgery. Then came the even more daunting step, skin removal surgery. According to Tammy, this was the most painful part of her transformation, not just physically but emotionally too. "There were moments I didn't recognize my body," she once confessed. "But I kept telling myself, this pain means I'm healing. This pain is part of becoming me again." Now, months later, that me is back, and rocking out harder than ever. Friends say Tammy has become obsessed with moving again, in all forms, dancing, walking, light workouts, even learning beginner yoga. She's in love with her new body, but more importantly, she's in love with her life, one source noted. And that's something we haven't seen in Tammy in years. Her return to the dance floor may have seemed like a playful moment to some, but to those who've witnessed her darkest days, it was a milestone that signified far more than rhythm and nostalgia. It was the culmination of determination, survival, and the will to rewrite her story. Interestingly, this dance night may be a sneak peek into something bigger Tammy has been working on behind the scenes. Rumors are swirling that she's planning to launch a new YouTube series centered around healing through movement. According to insiders, Tammy wants to show fans how dancing, stretching, and gentle workouts helped her connect with her body after surgery. She also wants to highlight body-positive music from the 2000s era, a genre that deeply influenced her and provided comfort when times got tough. Whether or not the show materializes, the fact that Tammy is dreaming and creating again is already a massive win. Even Tammy's sister Amy couldn't hold back her joy. Posting a short clip of Tammy dancing to the throwback hit, Amy captioned it, "She back y'all. This my sister FR. Rockin' it like it's 2009 again." Black Heart Fire. Fans poured in with love and support, with some saying this is the happiest they've seen Tammy L. OK in years. "Tammy's glow is unreal," one fan commented. "She's inspiring us all to take back our joy." Even the official TLC account reposted the video with a cheeky caption, "Who gave Tammy the aux cord?" Quote. In a brief Instagram live session after the dance party, Tammy thanked her followers for the overwhelming love. "I didn't think it would blow up like that," she said with a laugh. "I just wanted to have fun, let loose, and celebrate how far I've come. The music, the moves, the moment, it felt like I got a piece of my soul back. And to be honest, I ain't done yet. Next time, maybe I'll throw it back to 2012. This new Tammy is bold, vibrant, and unafraid to live loudly." Her story, which once centered around medical scares and emotional breakdowns, is now blooming into a tale of revival. The dance floor might have been the scene, but the real performance was Tammy showing the world that no matter how dark things get, there's always a chance for light. So what's next for Tammy Slaton? A dance tour, a music collab, a throwback podcast? Knowing Tammy, anything is possible, and fans will be eagerly watching every move she makes. For now, though, one thing is certain, she's no longer surviving, she's thriving. And if that means she's dancing her way back to 2009 rock style, then the world better start learning the steps. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.